Good morning, students. Today we will study class 7th, chapter number 12 and exercise 12a. In our last class, we have started exercise 12a and we have completed question number 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. I have given you the homework of question number 3, 4 and 5. Now we will discuss question number 6 and question number 6. What we have to find here? We have to find here, find the time. We have to find here time. When question number 6, when your principal is given here rupees 6400, after that your SI simple interest is given rupees 1152 and rate is given here 6% per annum. 6% per annum. Okay. We have to find here time when the principal is given 6400, simple interest SI is given 1142, rate is given here 6% per annum. Now we will put directly here formula T equals to time equals to simple interest into 100 upon principal into rate. This is the formula of time when we have to find time. Simple interest multiply by 100 upon principal into rate. Now the simple interest is given to you 152 multiply by 100 upon principal is given here 6400 multiply rate is given here 6%. Okay, cancel out all this, means 1152 upon 64 into 6. 1152 upon 64 multiplied by 6. So 1152 upon, when you multiply 64 into 6, it will be your 1152 upon 64 multiplied by 6 will be 384. Divide this. When you solve this equation, your answer will be 3 years. 3 years will be your answer. After that, this is your sixth question. In this, we have to find the time when principal is rupees 6400, simple interest is rupees 1152, rate is 6%. We have to use here formula T equals to SI into 100 upon P into R. Or from where this formula has come? This formula has come from SI equals to P into R into T upon 100. SI equals to P into R into T upon 100. Okay. When the 1, 2 and 3 quantities has been given, we have to find only T. This is the way you can find the time here. Okay. Now the second question, seventh question is, question number 7 is, question number 7 is given to you that principal is rupees 9540, simple interest is given to you rupees 1908. After that, rate is given to you 8% per annum. 8% per annum. Same process you have to do. We have to find here time. T equals to SI into 100 upon P into R. So SI given 908 into 100 upon principal is 9540 multiplied by 8. Okay, this is given to you. Now what you have to do? You have to solve this. 1 and 1 cancel. 908 upon 954 into 8. So 2 4s are 8. Now 2 9s are 18. 2 5s are 10. 1 carry. 2 sorry, one not correct, 2 4s are 8, 954 upon 950. 954 cancel here, 10 upon 4. Okay, 10 upon 4. You can also solve this. 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10, means 5 upon 2. Your answer will be 2 raised to 1 upon 2 years. Okay, this is your answer. When you divide this, 2 raised to 1 upon 2 years will be your answer. Now let's come to question number second. Question number second is find the rate. We have to find the rate. Find the rate when we have to find the rate when principal. Question number 9. This is your question number 9. When principal is rupees 8250. Principal is rupees 8250, and after that simple interest is rupees 1100, and your time is given to you. Time is 2 years. Time is 2 years. Okay, same process you have to do. We have to use here formula. Rate equals to SI into 100 upon P into T. Principal into time. Okay, SI is 1100 into 100 upon principal is 8250 multiply by, now time is your 2 years. Okay, time is your 2 years given. Now change this, 1 cancel. What you have to do, cancel out this. 2 1s are 2, 2 5s are 10, 5 1s are 5, 5 1s are 5, 3 carry, 5 6s are 30, 2 carry, 5 5s are 25. It will be your 1100 upon 165. When you solve this, it will be, your answer will be 6.67%. This is the rate. The rate of interest is 6.67% per annum. Okay, rate of interest will be 6.67% per annum. Now the second question, question number 10 is same, 11 is same. Now let's come to question number 12. Question number 12 is given to you. Shantana borrowed rupees 6,000 from the State Bank of India for 3 years and 8 months at 12% per annum. What amount will clear off her debit? So in this question, what you have to write first? You have to write here question number 12. Principal is given to you rupees 6,000. Rupees 6,000 will be your principal. Principal is rupees 6,000. After that, rate of interest is 12%. Rate equals to 12% per annum. After that, time is your 3 years and 8 months. 3 years and 8 months. First of all, you have to change the time. 3 years 8 months means 3 raised to 8 upon 12. In 1 year there are 12 months. Change this. It will be your 44 upon 12. Okay, 44 upon 12 years. This is your months and this is your also month. 44 upon 12 years. Now you have to calculate SI, simple interest. SI का formula P into R into T upon 100. Okay, principal into rate into time upon 100. Principal is given to you 6,000. Rate is given to you 12%. After that, time is given to you. Here time is given to you 44 upon 12. Okay, write here 44 upon 100 into 12. Okay, 20 cancel, 12 from 12 cancel, 60 into 44. When you multiply 60 into 44, it will be your 2 rupees 2640. Okay, now what you have to calculate? You have to calculate the amount. How much amount does he pay? Amount equals to principal plus SI. Amount equals to principal plus SI. Principal plus SI will be, principal is given to you 6000 plus simple interest. Simple interest is given to you 2640. When you add this 6000 plus 2640, your answer will be rupees 8640 rupees will be your answer. Okay, this is your question number 12.